Hi student, this is Dr. Maqsood Mahmud. Today I will deliver a lecture on the topic of the responsible use of AI. In this lecture, I will cover three main domains of learning, that is knowledge, skills, and value domains. The outline of my presentation will be as follows. I will start by introducing the AI concepts and then responsible AI along with challenges, issues, solutions, and certain examples from the Google Vertex AI. As you may already aware of the concepts of AI, that AI enables machines to think like human. Machines could be used for learning and problem solving. So examples of AI ranges from fun games playing to the critical medical diagnosis. There is a popular myth that AI is infallible, which is absolutely wrong. Why? Because human makes mistakes so as machines do. So we conclude that AI is not infallible. AI comes up with certain risks and hazards, which includes like job loss, privacy matters, deepfakes, weapons atomizations, etc. These risks needs to be addressed properly to mind the research gap. To introduce the concept of responsible I would like to comment that responsible AI is not a product, but it is a process of inculcating ethical measures from designing phase to developing phase and then to the last of deploying phase to the customers. It will help us scaling and impacting the customers and business profitably. There is a very popular concept of technological singularity, which tells us about an hypothetical future point which is uncontrollable and irreversible. And ultimately, it impacts the human civilization. This concept was further elaborated by Mark in his famous book named AI Ethics, published in 2020. And he connects singularity concepts with the Frankenstein monsters and transhumanism. So, dear students, what the questions comes in our mind that what are the main challenges of AI? So, the main challenges of AI are like biasness in decisions when we make a decisions, transparency issues, fairness, accountability, privacy of the data, and last but not the least, the safety to the society. So we need to develop an AI system that is profitable to the society, economic for profit for profitable for economy, and also safe. So, dear students, to have a bird view of what are the basic elements of responsible AI, we need to design AI on the principles, on certain principles, and certain AI practices which are regularized and under the AI governance. And we need such a tools which are based on certain principles. So let's have some practical examples from Google Vertex Gen IO Studio. So let's clarify the concept of this one. So I would like to provide practical examples, and let's generate Python code for NSH dataset and to apply the random forest on that one. Okay. So I created a prompt by giving certain parameters and elements to the prompt, and I got a response in a few seconds, right? So it gave me some libraries of sklearn, and then It loads the data of cancer data sets, and then it splits into the two parts, the training and the testing. And then it applies the random forest on that one and do predictions as per the random forest algorithm and give me the accuracy, right? So, and from these sources, it got it. Now I'm trying to get AI code for hacking purpose, which is not ethical, right? So let's see when I give it. So I found that I was not given the answers for that one. Why? Because the Google Vertex AI is a responsible AI application. So we need to develop a similar kind of an application so that we could not go for unethical artificial intelligence applications, and we should have a in the AI system which is like beneficial for society and economically. So to summarize all these things, what we have that we need a system which is not overall harmful for the society. It should not give injury to the people, and we should not go for such kind of surveillance which is against the norms and regulations of a civilization. And the last but not the least, the international law and human rights, and even the animal rights. So, take home message for you is we need a system which is built on the shared commitments from designing to the deployment state and to have a better decision. These are certain books, and I would highly recommend the last book by Mark uh, Kuchenberg, and which is like the most favorable book for me. And these are some YouTube links for you. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can post on the blackboard. Um, and thank you very much, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.